In this video, we'll show you how to save your student email before the Microsoft 365 upgrade happening May 8th through May 10th, 2026. Your student email address will stay the same after the upgrade, but your current email messages will not move automatically. If you want to keep any messages, you'll have to save them before the upgrade begins. If you don't need to keep any of your email messages, then no action is required. However, if you change your mind, IT may not be able to recover any of your messages after May 8th, 2026. If you only need to keep a few messages, the easiest way is to forward them to your personal email account. You'll need to open a web browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge here. Then you'll need to navigate to mail.se.edu. Once there, you will sign in with your student account. When you've finished signing in, you'll need to find the email message that you would like to save. The easiest way to do that is via the search feature. Open the message you would like to keep. Select Forward, then enter your personal email address and click Send. Repeat these steps for any other messages you want to save. If you want to save a lot of messages or entire folders, it's best to use the Outlook app on your computer. If you're a Mac user, or you don't have Outlook installed on your Windows computer, then check the description for our other video guides. You'll click File, Settings, Files, then click Export. Get started. Select your email address and press Next. Keep both of these options default and click Next. Then choose File. You can either name the file or leave it as is. Press OK. Then export. This process begins in the background and can take a couple of hours. Please note, as of February 3rd, 2026, New Outlook doesn't currently support importing PST files, so you'll have to go to Classic Outlook for it. To do so, you'll go to Settings, Files, Import, then Import from Classic Outlook. This may take a second to load. You'll then go to File, Open and Export, Import Export, then click Next. You'll select Outlook Data File and click Next. Then click Browse. You'll select the file that you have saved and select Do Not Import Duplicates and press Next. Then you can just press Finish and the import will start. Please be sure to complete this process before Friday, May 8th at 5 p.m. Central Time. Keep your PST file safe until you confirm your email is restored after the upgrade.